All right, so when you arrive at the hotel, you will park on the street, and it's valet parking, so they'll take your car and they'll put it right in this lot over here. Let's check out the upscale Towneplace Suites near the Tennessee Capitol. So that's our hotel over there, the Towneplace, and the reason we rented it is because it is very, very close to the auditorium we're going to today, the Municipal Auditorium. So if you're doing what we're doing and going to a show here, then that hotel is perfect walking distance, less than a block. The Towneplace Suites is located in downtown Nashville, just steps away from most of the main attractions you would want to hit, and right across the street from the Musicians Hall of Fame and the Municipal Auditorium. Not far from the Capitol and Broadway. So as you can see, this is the foyer of the hotel. As you walk in, there is a snack area where you can purchase items if it's the middle of the night. And there's also the Moonshot Coffee Bar right here on the first floor, which is open a few hours of the day. Make sure you check the hours while you're here. And here's the patio. Nice outdoor courtyard patio area off of the elevator entrance. Okay, so this is room 227 in Towneplace Suites in downtown Nashville. We are very close to the Capitol building for the state of Tennessee, and also to the arena that we're going to be going to for an event today. So we're going to give you a tour of this room. The rate we paid was $400 a night. Don't have any idea if it's that price normally or not. So it's a little pricey, but it is also a really nice hotel. And we'll show you some more of the amenities and features of the hotel as we discover them. We did have valet only parking off the street, so
46.
I think she said it's $46 for valet parking. Here's the closet, so we have some extra linens. They do not have self-parking. It is valet only, which is fine for a swanky hotel. It's pretty normal. So we have a nightstand over here. Got your standard looking phone with USBs. Those are USB-A, in case anybody's wondering. Looks like thermostat control, pretty normal looking. Clock with all kinds of buttons, no idea what they do. Another set of USB-As. Regular US power outlets. But one of the cooler things in this room is there seems to be pretty much a full kitchen. It looks like a dishwasher, a stovetop, looks like induction stovetop, microwave. So this will take a little look in the dishwasher. Pretty good size. Sink. The fridge is actually small, but plenty big for a stay in a hotel. I guess it's like an apartment size fridge. So up here we have a toaster, some dishes. Down here we have the induction pots and pans, your cutlery, everything you would need to cook. Looks like some spatulas. We don't normally open all the drawers, but since this is a kitchen setup, we're gonna go ahead and show you everything in here so that you know exactly what you're getting. Nothing in that one. And so it does look like it has an adjoining room situation if you wanted to rent the room next door. So an LG TV up here. Here's the remote for the TV. All right. Oh, here's the coffee pot. I didn't really show you these amenities yet. Hold on. Check out this stuff for those of you who are obsessed with knowing every little detail. There is a breaker box in the room, so I guess, I don't know, I guess that's for the kitchen. Really nice shower, glass door, sliding door shower. It has a barn door. See if I can get this in the shot. It may not be easy. Full length mirror, sliding barn door, for the bathroom. Some people love those, some people hate them. Nice, pretty decent sized countertop. Some hotels not so great with the counter space. This one's okay. I'd say it's medium size. All right, so got your towels. Nice wallpaper in here. Don't know if there's probably a hairdryer somewhere. Not in those drawers. Nothing down. Hey, yeah, there is a hairdryer way under there. All right, so leave any questions you may have in the comments and we will try to answer them. Oh, hold on, one more thing I know you're gonna ask about. There's your shampoos. Yep, and we'll try to film more of the hotel and give you a few more details about the things that are located in this hotel in this video. This is the rooftop bar at the hotel. Very nice. Got fine selection over there. Yep, they have outdoor seating over here at the end. And they've got these 5 full windows open so that you can view out. This is open air right here. So you can see all of downtown Nashville. And just so you know, the venue we went to was a gymnastics meet. And it was in that building right there, which is just right next door to this hotel. So check out those videos too if you want. Quick view of some of the food. So the gym is on the 7th floor, and it's kind of cool because you can work out on the rooftop. Pretty normal equipment. Pretty nice setup. Got some yoga mats too. And if you want, you can go outside and do yoga on the rooftop. So it's a nice gym set up for a hotel. The next morning there was a complimentary breakfast and we quite enjoyed it. So check out this hotel if you're ever in Nashville. It is totally worth it. We'll see you in the next adventure.